Dydd Grin, bore da, beth sy'n eisiau i'r parti? Meddai Winnie. Aha! Dwi'n gwybod mae eisiau ffrindiau. Feli basa ni!
Lys Davies ydw i, a fi'r cydlynwyr yn ysgol yn Meads yn Clwb am Cymraeg.
Sam dwi i. Dwi'n gweithio yn ysgol y Meads fel athrawes.
Ni wedi cael yn awyfu am wobr ail iaith Cymraeg trwy'r ysgol.
In 2008, our inspection, one of our recommendations was to develop the use of Welsh bilingually in our school, and as a result of all the things that we've introduced so far this year and in previous years, the work that we've developed on, we had another inspection recently, just a couple of months ago, and we've come out as good on our Welsh, so there were no further recommendations, just to keep doing what we're doing.
Penderfynais ni dechrau Clwb Cymraeg i cael Cymraeg trwy'r ysgol a ddim jyst yn y gwersi yn y dosbarth. Mae'n cyfle i'r plant dysgu Cymraeg a cael hwyl ar yr un pryd. Ni wedi dechrau wneud storis mewn y dosbarth, ni wedi gwneud Gari Gofod a'r Cawr Mawr hefyd. A roedd yn cyfle i'r gyd o'r plant yn blwyddyn 1 i ddechrau dysgu stori parti Penfro Winnie. Roedd yn stori dda a roedd llawn i wneud o'r stori ar ôl roedd nhw wedi dysgu fe. Roedd cyfle i'r rieni dod mewn hefyd, so pryd roedd y plant wedi dysgu'r stori, roedd y rieni wedi dod mewn ac eis ni parti mawr a roedd ni wedi wneud y stori i'r rieni. Roedd y rieni wedi gweud faint o Cymraeg roedd ni wedi dysgu yn y gwersi Cymraeg a faint roedd ni wedi cael mas o'r Clwb Cymraeg hefyd. Roedd plant wedi mwynhau dros ben a gofynnodd y rieni o blwyddyn 1 blwyddyn diwetha os bydd na cyfle i'r plant yn blwyddyn 2 wneud Clwb Cymraeg hefyd. A dyna pryd roedd Sam wedi cefnogi ni a dechrau mynd ar plant o blwyddyn 1 a aethu ar plant o blwyddyn 2. Mae wedi mynd yn dda iawn, mae rieni wedi bod yn cefnogi iawn. Ni wedi cael llawer o hwyl a mae plant yn mwynhau hefyd. Ni wedi dechrau hefyd Criw Cymraeg yn yr ysgol sydd wedi dod mas o'r Clwb Cymraeg really. A ni'n gwneud gwasanaeth pob dydd Mercher yn yr ysgol. Heddiw wnaeth ni'r stori i'r reception cael cyfle i gweld e hefyd os bod nhw'n cael cyfle i dod blwyddyn nesaf.
Dwi wedi cael cyfle siarad Cymraeg. I've only been learning Welsh for a couple of years, mainly part-time, and being able to use it in school has really helped. And the more that we're doing in school, the more that I feel confident in teaching the children, and certainly not just the children are learning through the stories that we're doing in class and in Welsh Club, but I'm learning as well and becoming more fluent and confident with my Welsh.
A dwi'n meddwl mae llawer o'r athrawon a'r NSAs trwy'r ysgol yn meddwl yr un peth. Maen nhw wedi cael cyfle i ddysgu Cymraeg trwy storis, trwy ni wedi gwneud brawddeg yr wythnos, trwy'r gwasanaeth. Mae gyd wedi cefnogi'r pobl i siarad mwy Cymraeg a mae wedi bod yn wneud cael hwyl ar yr un pryd a siarad Cymraeg. A dwi'n gwybod mae enghraifft Mrs Rawlins wedi dweud, mae hi wedi dysgu llawer mwy Cymraeg yn wneud trwy stori, achos mae hi wedi enjoyo, a mae wedi bod cyfle dda i hi. Mrs Whitley, mae hi'n wneud Clwb Cymraeg gyda ni. roedd hi ddim yn siarad Cymraeg o gwbl, ond nawr yn y dosbarth hefyd mae hi'n siarad Cymraeg a dod â'r Cymraeg mewn i'r ddosbarth. Mae wedi bod really good am fel mae'r plant yn defnyddio'r Cymraeg allan o'r dosbarth. Ni'n clywed nhw'n siarad Cymraeg yn amser chwarae, amser cinio, a maen nhw'n really proud o fe. Maen nhw'n really hoffi siarad Cymraeg, a maen nhw'n really proud o siarad Cymraeg trwy'r ysgol. A rieni, mae llawer o rieni wedi gweud i ni bod y plant yn dod adre dysgu nhw Cymraeg, a dwi'n meddwl mae hwnna'n bwysig iawn hefyd.
Good afternoon, Liz Davis ydw i. I'm the head teacher of the Meads Infant and Nursery School in Clwb. I decided to nominate Clwb Cymraeg because I felt that after all the effort that the staff and the pupils have put into the development of Welsh as a second language and the Welsh ethos around school, that we're going to celebrate our success anyway, but the winning of the Shwmae Award would be the icing on the cake. The effect of the Clwb Cymraeg has had such a tremendous positive boost to the Welsh within school. We're an infant nursery school. None of the pupils within school come from a Welsh speaking background. Within the last 5 years, I would say the numbers on roll have increased dramatically. At present, today we've got 431 children on roll here, and with Flying Start there are 40 Flying Start pupils as well. And I would like to think that although I'm a non-Welsh speaker, it doesn't mean that I don't value the whole Welsh ethos and the importance of being able to speak Welsh. And even though I'm not able to do it myself, I find it extremely difficult, it doesn't mean that it hasn't got a high priority within school, because I really want the best for the children within my school. And I think it fits in perfectly within the rights of the child, which the authority has just signed up to. We also have become, are working towards becoming a rights respecting school. And one of the articles within the rights say that every child is entitled to a name and to be aware of where they come from and who they belong to and everything. So it just fits in perfectly within the Welsh ethos within the school. We had an inspection in 2008 where Welsh, or the development of Welsh as a second language, and the development of the Welsh ethos was a recommendation. And I was absolutely thrilled in April this year when we had Estyn visitors again, that they recognised that we've made significant moves forward since our previous inspection and that it's no longer a recommendation. I feel that they were able to see how much effort has been put into developing the children. It's not something that has happened overnight. Since our last inspection, it's been a priority, and even though it's not a recommendation, it will continue to be a priority within school. But I feel that once Lisa set up Clwb Cymraeg, once she had the Welsh Club within school, this has really, really impacted on what goes on within school, because it's just instilling enthusiasm with the pupils, it's giving the staff the confidence to have a go, and it doesn't matter if you get it wrong, because at least you're trying. And it's a pleasure walking around the corridor, hearing the children sharing little phrases with each other. It's a pleasure to watch Clwb Cymraeg do assemblies on a Wednesday in front of the whole of the school. I'm just basically so proud of them, and I feel that they deserve, you know, to win the award just for their efforts alone. Finally, I'd just like to make you aware of the fact that the governors of the school are totally committed to the development of Welsh. Father Harry Williams, who is the vicar from St Catherine's, is the vicar with responsibility for Welsh development within the school, and him being a Welsh speaker himself, he also realises the importance of developing it. The governors are also very pleased with our Eston report, but they also feel that we can't stop where we are, we've got to continue. And so much so that when we actually now employ members of staff, it is a requirement that they have a basic understanding of Welsh. If they've got more, then that's great. If not, they have to have a basic understanding, and there has to be a willingness to develop Welsh personally and within their classes. Over the last couple of weeks, Mrs. Spanky and I have been watching 18 potential candidates for teaching posts within the school, and they were able to teach whatever they wanted to, which showed their best qualities, but the only requirement was that they had to use Welsh phrases within their lesson so that we could ascertain their willingness to carry on the good work that's been started. We've recently employed a new clerical assistant who is first language Welsh, and many of the staff now are approaching her and asking that if they're having conversations with her, do they mind if they have it in Welsh, because they want to be able to practice their Welsh. So I feel that since Lisa, ably supported by Sam over the last 12 months, they really have impacted on our willingness to have a go at this school. We're an English medium school, but by heck we're trying our best, and I'm really proud of them.
We think that our school deserves to win this award because of the amount of effort that the children have put in. The parents have really noticed a change, and they're really supportive of us. You know, there's such a demand for places on the Clwb Cymraeg, and the children just love it. They look forward to Welsh Assembly. They're speaking Welsh all around the school. Even if they don't know the nouns, they'll insert nouns into familiar phrases that they've been learning each week. Brawddeg y wythnos. And they've just been so inspired, and they enjoy it so much. I just think they deserve it.
Ar awr gyd o'r athrawon trwy'r ysgol, mae pawb wedi dod â'r Cymraeg ymlaen faint. Mae pawb wedi gweithio gyda'n gilydd a cefnogi ni gyda popeth ni wedi rhoi mewn, gyda Help a Heddiw, Crw Cymraeg, Clwb Cymraeg, Brawddeg yr Wythnos, popeth ni wedi wneud, mae ni wedi cefnogi a gweithio'n galeg iawn. A so'r pawb yn competent gyda'r Cymraeg, a mae nhw really wedi trial yn galed i dod â'r Cymraeg ymlaen yr ysgol.